What's going on, you guys? Welcome to this episode of Dirty Dan, the May edition, 2019.
A little bit of my parents' place.
Mom asked if
me and my brothers could help re-shingle
their shed. How to replace an old roof. Well, number one, you remove the old. We're stripping off all the old shingles here and gonna get prepped and ready to lay down all the new. Number two, crank the classic rock. Because that's what every roofer jams to. You know, drive by any guys installing a roof, they got their classic rock blaring. Still crushing it here. Almost done with the stripping. The pain in the butt part is these tiny little, I don't know if you can see them right there, they're stapled. All right, so next we're gonna lay down the black Number three, roll out the paper. Oh! Well, not that way. That's a nice roll. All right, Warren's getting it all cleaned up and all right, so we got the tar paper up and now we're gonna start shingling. First we're gonna...
Wait, start over.
So you need a level, a hammer above the builder belt, and chrome nails. Chrome polish. Only the best here, baby. Woo-wee! Yeah. Yeah. That's hard to hammer into.
Yeah, I missed it like 3 times.
Fourth, for this first line up the first row shingles. Now this is very, very important. Make sure it's level, horizontal, and straight as an arrow. Warren's got a sharp eye. He's got this. Shred it, bro! Fifth, put up the shingles. Stagger them like blocks, like you did back in preschool. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. My roof only leaks in 3 spots.
Ooh, yeah.
We are literally nailing this project.
I'm gonna have to go ahead and sort of disagree with you there.
Go get it. Alrighty, so we got the lower half and the upper half completed. Yeah, boy. Not bad. Hey guys, and welcome to the vlog. Today's day, I think 4 on the shed project here. We got half of it shingled yesterday, and I'm here to finish it out, to close this project out, man. It's just been a lot longer than I thought it would take. I thought it'd be, you know, a day project, but, you know, one thing leads to another, you know? Gotta love home ownership. Yeah, it took a week because we live in Pennsylvania where it rains every single day. Anyway, I won't bore you guys with any more details. Just some facts here. This is a 12 by 16 size shed. The shingles were ordered from Home Depot. They cost about, I think all the materials cost about $300. Labor cost, well, you know, when your mom and dad ask for help, you help them. And that's that. So this sturdy job, I definitely give 2 thumbs up, and I have mad respect for the guys that make a living doing this. I mean, this was a little 12 by 16, man, and it took me a week. I just can't imagine that line of work. So props to you guys, and don't forget your ridge caps. I forgot to order a bundle of those. That was an extra $45, and they're the special shingles that go on your ridge line. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Like this video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See ya. Bingo. Man, it's starting to come along. I'm proud of this. Not bad. Alrighty, we got all the shingles up. Just one small detail, I forgot to order ridge caps. That's always something.
Take this job and shove it.